In Canada, winter doesn't stop barbecue enthusiasts. Families bundle up in cozy winter coats, ready to brave the snow for a delicious grilled meal. Studies show that 1 in 3 Canadian households grill year-round, proving their dedication. The key is preparation, choosing a sturdy metal grill that can withstand freezing temperatures. This tradition brings warmth to the coldest days, combining Canadian resilience with culinary passion. Grilling in the snow requires smart adjustments. Canadians clear snow from the grill and place it on a stable wooden platform to prevent sinking. A 2022 survey revealed that 78% of winter grillers use insulated gloves for safety. Positioning matters too. Placing the grill in a sheltered spot reduces wind interference. These small steps ensure a successful barbecue, proving that snow is no match for Canadian ingenuity. Cold weather affects fuel efficiency, but Canadians have solutions. Propane tanks are wrapped in insulation to maintain pressure, while charcoal users opt for chimney starters for faster ignition. According to grill experts, propane consumption increases by 20% in winter. The sight of steam rising from a lit grill against the frosty air is a testament to persistence. Once the fire is roaring, the real magic begins. Winter barbecues feature hearty, cold-weather-friendly foods. Thick cuts like steaks and sausages retain heat better, while foil-wrapped potatoes cook evenly. Marinated veggies caramelize beautifully, adding flavor. Nutritionists recommend protein-rich meals in winter for energy. This menu isn't just practical. It's a celebration of comfort food that brings people together, even in sub-zero temperatures. Grilling in snow demands extra attention. Heat escapes faster, so Canadians keep the lid closed to trap warmth. Thermal gloves protect hands while flipping meat. Grill masters suggest increasing cook time by 10 to 15% in freezing temps. The sizzle of food hitting the grill and the smoky aroma cutting through the cold air make the effort worthwhile. It's a delicious defiance of winter. The smoky aroma of a winter barbecue attracts neighbors, creating an impromptu gathering. Hot drinks like cocoa or coffee keep everyone warm as they chat. A 2023 study found that 65% of Canadians say winter barbecues strengthen community bonds. Laughter echoes in the crisp air, proving that food and friendship melt even the coldest days. This is Canadian hospitality at its finest. While the food cooks, Canadians combine grilling with winter fun. Kids play hockey nearby, and a snowman wears a miniature barbecue apron for laughs. Outdoor games keep the blood pumping in the cold. Research shows that active winter socializing boosts mental health. The blend of food, play, and laughter turns a simple barbecue into a cherished memory. Keeping food warm is crucial in winter. Canadians use foil-covered plates and insulated trays to preserve heat. Spicy sauces add warmth, while baked beans and chili are staple sides. Food scientists note that hot dishes cool 30% faster outdoors in winter. But with smart serving strategies, every bite stays deliciously warm, proving that winter barbecues are worth the extra effort. There's nothing like hot barbecue in the snow. Canadians dig in with mittens on, their breath visible in the cold. The contrast of sizzling food and frosty air is uniquely satisfying. Surveys show that 89% of winter grillers describe the experience as unforgettable. This moment, where warmth, flavor, and camaraderie collide, is why Canadians embrace the cold for a good grill. As the sun sets, the barbecue transitions to a fireside wind-down. A crackling fire pit, blankets, and marshmallows extend the warmth. Psychologists highlight how such rituals reduce seasonal blues. The shared satisfaction of a meal well-earned lingers as stars appear. This is the heart of Canadian winter, turning cold into comfort, one barbecue at a time.